Hey guys, recruiters give you about 7 seconds to make first impressions. I'm going to give you 9 tips in 1 minute. Ready? Time me. Here we go. First thing, backing up here, looking for you. People see that picture. It needs to be zoomed in. It's too small. Good thing you have the first few words here in your headline because that's all they may see, as you can see right here. So I got into the 2 points right off the bat. The headline, it's good you have the 3 words, but again, it may be all we see. Don't ever use words like actively looking for a job change, or seeking, or looking, or wanting, or open. Get an incredible profile first, then consider using hashtag ONO. Zoom in and remove the background noise on that photo, like I said. Don't tell me down here that you have a demonstrated history, like I see in that first line. I want you to show me with metrics. Remove the attachments for your resume or CV. The only thing that'll do is rule you out. Wait till they have an interest and then send them the resume or CV. Don't share it around on social media. Don't add it as an attachment here. Now, and also in your experience, this is number 6. Your experience isn't showing any. You need metrics and results, not a demonstrated history like I see you say right here. We need to see a lot more here, and we need to see dollars, percent, pound sign. Then, going on to your profile, that's the key stuff that a recruiter is going to look for. These are more things. This is going to help you get found, is having more skills. You have 24 showing. You could add more. You could also fix your URL and turn off the competition. There. Did I almost do it? Almost 1 minute. This is a lot shorter than I usually do. If you want to know more details, hit me up in the comments, guys. Thanks.